Have you ever wondered about the risks of investing in cryptocurrency? Today we delve into a recent scandal that has rocked the crypto world. In the ever-evolving sphere of cryptocurrency, three major firms, Gemini, Genesis, and Digital Currency Group, have found themselves in hot water. US prosecutors are accusing these companies of pulling the wool over the eyes of their investors, allegedly defrauding them of over a staggering $1 billion. Gemini, a well-known name in the cryptoverse, stands accused of not being fully transparent with its customers about the risks tied to an investment account. This account, which promised high interest rates on cryptocurrency, turned out to be a less than golden goose. Genesis and Digital Currency Group, two other big players in the crypto game, were also involved in this high-interest account program. But here's where things take a turn. This program was abruptly halted in November of 2022, leaving customers high and dry, unable to access their funds. This sudden halt was closely followed by the collapse of FTX, a cryptocurrency exchange run by Sam Bankman-Fried, who is now facing his own set of fraud charges. In a domino effect, Genesis then filed for bankruptcy. But here's the kicker. The lawsuit alleges that Gemini was fully aware of Genesis's shaky financial situation, but chose not to alert its customers about the inherent risks. This, if proven true, is a clear violation of the trust placed in them by their investors. The three companies had previously collaborated on a project called Gemini Earn. This program allowed users to lend their crypto to Genesis in return for high interest rates. The lawsuit claims that Genesis and Digital Currency Group attempted to hide over $1 billion in losses and provided false reports, further deepening the controversy. In fact, there are even previous fraud claims against Genesis and Digital Currency Group by none other than Gemini itself. This legal action is merely a part of a series of implosions that have shaken the crypto industry in 2022. This case is just one example of the potential risks associated with investing in cryptocurrency. The lawsuit against these three firms is part of a larger series of implosions in the crypto industry in 2022. Now let's take a closer look at the Gemini Earn program. This scheme uses to lend their cryptocurrency to Genesis in exchange for high interest rates. It seemed like a golden opportunity for investors to grow their crypto wealth. But behind the scenes, things were not as they appeared. Allegedly, Genesis and the Digital Currency Group were concealing significant losses to the tune of over $1 billion. These losses were masked with false reports, creating an illusion of profitability and success that was far from reality. This is not a small-scale deception. We're talking about $1 billion discrepancy, a financial chasm that has left investors reeling. But the intrigue doesn't stop there. Gemini, which had working closely with Genesis and the Digital Currency Group, had previously raised fraud claims against these two firms. Despite these allegations, Gemini continued to promote the Gemini Earn program, leaving many questioning the firm's own transparency and ethics. The fallout from this scandal has been immense. Investors have found themselves cut off from their funds, and trust in these firms has been severely undermined. This situation is not just about monetary loss, but about the erosion of faith in a sector that prides itself on transparency and decentralization. As the investigation into these allegations continues, the ripple effects are being felt throughout the cryptocurrency market. The collapse of Genesis and the ensuing controversy have cast a long shadow, raising questions about the sustainability and integrity of other crypto firms. This ongoing investigation serves as a stark reminder of the potential pitfalls in the cryptocurrency market and the of transparency and accountability in this rapidly evolving financial sector. If you're finding this content valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates on the crypto world. This case has raised serious questions about the future of cryptocurrency. The allegations brought against Gemini, Genesis, and Digital Currency Group have the potential to shake the very foundations of the crypto industry. With over $1 billion allegedly hidden in losses, the trust of investors, both seasoned and newcomers, could be greatly impacted. This situation might serve as a catalyst for increased regulation in the crypto space. It may prompt authorities to tighten their reins and demand for stricter compliance from cryptocurrency firms. This could lead to greater transparency, which in turn might instill a renewed sense of trust among investors. However, it's important to remember that with every challenge comes an opportunity for growth. This could be a chance for the crypto industry to evolve, to establish more robust systems that prioritize transparency and integrity. But let's not forget the individual's role in this. Investors too bear a responsibility. It's crucial that they approach cryptocurrency investments with a healthy dose of skepticism, conducting their own thorough research before jumping headfirst into this volatile world. As the crypto world continues to grapple with these allegations, one thing is clear: the road ahead is uncertain, and the need for vigilance and due diligence in crypto investments is more critical than ever. So, what does this mean for you, the investor, or the curious observer? We've journeyed through the murky waters of the recent crypto controversy, where big names like Gemini, Genesis, and Digital Currency Group were accused of defrauding investors of over $1 billion. We've seen how the promising program Gemini Earn collapsed under the weight of its own ambition, leaving customers cut off from their funds. These events serve as stark reminders of the volatility and unpredictability inherent in the world of cryptocurrency. They underline the critical importance of conducting comprehensive research and exercising due diligence before jumping into any investment, let alone one as mercurial as crypto. As we move forward, it's crucial to keep a keen eye on the ever-evolving crypto landscape. Stay tuned to the latest developments, and don't let the siren song of easy profits blind you to the potential pitfalls. While the allure of quick profits may be tempting, remember, with great potential comes great risk. Until next time, stay safe and stay informed.